Let's create a spiral volute like a snail shape. See, dimensions are in millimeter. Follow table for dimensions increment. Now you will see a spiral shape. This is like a snail, and this is a kind of volute. You will see this is kind of U shape. But this is, if you increase this one, this dimensions going to decrease. There are three number of dimensions going to decrease. So we will achieve this model with the help of instance to vary feature in circular pattern. So we will achieve this geometry with the help of circular pattern. So let's try to do. We will make one volute, then we will use instance to vary feature and decrease and create this one. Now let me select, see the outer diameter. Okay, let's check outer shell thickness, bottom thickness 10 millimeter. This is the outer diameter, and this diameter going to decrease by decrease. See here, 100 minus 98.75 means 1.25. Then 98.75 minus 70, you will see 1.25 minus 1.25. Thickness 10 millimeter, increment point minus 0.1. You will see here 10 millimeter, 9.9, 9.8, 9.7. This is going to decrease 0.1 millimeter. Angle between two volutes 7 millimeter, and total 50 number of volutes. Now there is a detail view. This diameter 3 millimeter, and the length of this pipe solid rod 103 millimeter. Now look, the bottom gap 5 millimeter, and there is a gap between two volute 0.5. This is let's say vertical gap between two volutes. 0. See here 5, 0.05. So these three dimensions we are going to use. So let's create this one 100 millimeter. Now let me select front plane, sketch circle, and let me activate one small circle 3 millimeter. Now this one extrude up to 103 millimeter. Go to extruded boss base, and here keep end condition mid plane. I want to flow material both side equal 103 millimeter. Okay. Now let me select right plane because this is at mid. Sketch. Let me define circle. See, diameter 100 is given. Okay. Now select this center point, center of circle, and origin point. Make constraint vertical line. Okay, let me connect one line from here to here. Make this one construction geometry. Again connect line. Again I want to make this one, so draw a half and connect here. Now go to trim entity, power trim, and here select keep trimmed entity as construction. Just press and hold and drag. See, this is going to be axis. Now this is our line. Okay. Now again 5 millimeter I am going to increase bottom. This is our main dimensions which is going to increase. Now select both the line equal. Smart dimension 5 millimeter. Now one dimension, two dimension, one more dimensions we need. Just go to feature, extruded boss base. Now here keep end condition mid plane. Now depth only 10 millimeter. Now here thickness activated because this is only open profile, not close profile. So keep one direction. Thickness how much? You will see here thickness of this strip 0.5. 0.5, and see this is going inside. Say OK. Now activate fillet. Here choose full round fillet. Select 1, 2, third. Okay. Again activate the same and apply on other side. 1, second box, and the third box. Okay. Now let's go to circular pattern. For direction, I am going to choose this direction. Fine. Okay. Angle given 7 degree and number of involute 50. Fine. Now feature. Here let me drop down to fillet and one this extruded board. See. But come down. Choose here instances to vary. This is important. Now let me select 3 dimensions. The first dimension 100 millimeter. Second dimensions this depth 10 millimeter. So click this 10 millimeter. See 10 millimeter. Third one is this 5 millimeter. Okay. Now you will see minus 1.25, minus 0.1, minus 0.05. These dimensions we have to apply there. Minus 1.25, enter. Here minus 0.1, enter. Minus 0.05, enter. Now here go up, option, and here select full preview. It will take little time, and just check the direction where this is. Okay, this is moving reverse directions. So go up and here change direction from reverse direction and hold it because it takes little time. See, this is already there. Now let me save. Yes. See, the involute body is created. You will see. See, there is a gap. Now this is only one solid body. So we have to make multiple bodies. So how you can do? Let me delete this line. Select this face. Sketch. Convert entity. No need to draw a hole. Go to feature and select extruded cut. I want to remove this one. This rod. So select through all. Now remember there is only one body. Say yes. And here system asks keep bodies to keep all body. I want to keep all body. Say OK. Now the hole is created and see there are 50 number of bodies created. All become separate because this all connected with those rods. Again I am going to choose front plane, sketch, select this circle, convert entity and extrude. And here choose through all both, not through all, mid plane. 103 length, and here, oh sorry, we need to extrude. Mid plane 103 and uncheck the merge result. I want to make another body. Say OK. And see here total 51 body. You will see. Now for a real view, you can apply bodies. I want to apply some color. Let's say gold color. The first alternate bodies. Second, just select alternate bodies from there is a double. Polished gold. Double click and see this is going to apply. let me again select this. Oh, I forget which. Okay, this is the. Okay, start from here, control key, and select all alternate. That's it. Similarly, second one, alternate. I want to apply chrome plating. Chrome plating. Now see, this is how it looks. Now let me all, if you see front plane, see. So this is the simple tutorial how to use circular instances to vary feature and create this beautiful shape. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.